Hello everyone, welcome to the another training session for today. So basically today I'm going to discuss about weight mopping. We have two kind of weight mop. One is Kentucky mop and other one is flat mop. So regarding weight mop, I have already discussed on my previous video. You can check it out on link on my description. You can check it out as well. And so basically today I'm just going to show you how you can use both mops, Kentucky and flat mops, while you are doing floor mopping. This is only demo, so you can apply the same way while you are doing floor mopping